This is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram. Traveling to the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structure. Please lower your head and watch your step.
Puerta cerrada, manteniendo tus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a tus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the train. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you. enjoy magic all year round by upgrading via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel throughout the tour, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you observe this speed limit and yield the right of way to Disneyland Resort vehicles, whether walking or driving.
Ready, friends, we are coming to a non-scheduled slowdown, so please remain seated with the doors closed.
We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structure.
Ready, friends, we have fully come to a non-scheduled stop, so remain seated with the doors closed. We will resume motion momentarily.
Watch your step, exiting through the driver's right. It's been a joy celebrating happy with you at the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration. On behalf of all our cast members,
Ready, please.
if you have more time than that, multi-day we are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structure. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step. Exiting on the driver's right. It's been a joy celebrating happy with you at the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza.
Welcome to Los Angeles, where we have potholes. We are now approaching our one stop. Remain seated, doors closed. Now, tell you an intake takes out the driver's rating outside. The driver's rating outside only. Closing all doors upon your departure, not pulling strollers away from the tram.
It's actually, you know, a place I'm just one version as well. My coffee.
Whether your belongings, where your head, walk your step, and next out the driver's rating.